Hello, welcome to the auto build tutorial. This auto building is a very useful mechanic that can allow you to make block designs really fast. So everything starts out with this block right here and the slopes, but we're not going to get to those. This block is on the last page in the first tab of the build menu, and it is just a transparent white block with a white outline, but when you click Edit Special, you see a bunch of different options here. The important ones that we're going to use for now are Browser, Template, and Create. First off, let's start with Browser. You'll see if this here, usually there won't be any templates here for you, so you want to create a new template, name it whatever you want. And then if you click browse, you'll see a bunch of different strange looking objects. These are actually what you use to make your template. If you click them, they'll be added to the editor like this. You see? If you want to, for this tutorial, you'll want to add all of these by just clicking on them, but it forms them in a long line, and that's hard to look at. So they're all in this way, which is nice to look at. So the different thing about this is these blocks right here, these are the blocks that you're going to be designing. Something is going to go here, and these blocks are reference blocks. Like something, this will say that it's connected to blocks that would theoretically be right here. Or in this case, the block would be right here, and nothing else. This doesn't, having it like this doesn't mean that it's only a one block like this. It could theoretically, the block design could theoretically look like this or something, but for the template, you only need to worry about the one it's next to. So if you have something like this, and you would put like this on here, so this red block is what you're replacing it with. Then when you created it, then this is where the block would go, and with the red block being the one that's replaced. So assuming that you've created all your templates, they should look they could look like this, they could not look like this, just as long as they make sense, but they don't have to, really. They just match up to the reference blocks in your opinion, or something like this. And then, so to add this, something like this, once you've created everything, you want to select all of it. And very important note, do not get rid of the original auto build blocks, because otherwise this will not work. Want to go back to Edit Special, go to Browser, click Use on the template that you want to make it for, then click the Template button. And if you did it correctly, and go to Browser, Edit, and Browse, then everything that you made should be right here. But except I did it, for some reason I did this wrong and there's one missing, but ignore that. And then, so now that you have your block designed, you can go in here, create some theoretical gameplay. Maybe have some funky shapes, like this, or something. And then if you go in, edit Special, click Create, they're all made perfectly for you. It's just that easy. Although for something like this, you may want to add more on the inside. But that's just block design skills and not creating skills. Alright. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this tutorial is useful for you. There is more stuff to go over about this, like with slopes, but I'm not going to go over that right now. This is just a basic tutorial on how to get yourself going. If you want to learn more, there's the editor, the Viper and Autonix editor guide, which gives you an entire overview of how to use everything in the GD editor, including stuff about 2.2. So, thank you and goodbye.